All right. It was relatively a super duper day, and I hope everybody did well. I did. I got to close out some positions that I'm just not comfortable with, and I know the market's making that move up, but I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in it. Not with Putin with his finger on the trigger. And there's a lot of volatility. But before we get into it, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. It's important you hit that bell because I'm streaming again, and that bell will let you know when I'm up, and you can participate in the trade. And we actually took a couple of trades today. First thing in the morning, um, we had we got a one off, which one third of the position got off, and then we got out of break even. And then we got two off on the second position, and then the third piece ran, and we saw about $1,000 a contract on that piece. And had you paid attention, you would have made that money. And when you are distracted, you end up giving all that money back. And everybody who watched understands what I'm saying. So, yeah, we have some good plays, some good trades, some good setups. We could talk about it. You get to understand what I'm doing. The channel's kind of small, so you could chat with me, and I could break down the trades and the entries and things like that. And I kind of enjoy it. So come in and feel free to chat with us. So to take a quick look at our daily, we have this daily flag that triggered, and we're in it. And the fact that we pulled back a little bit, really not a big deal. This flag is good until it breaks this low right here. So that's it. We're just watching that flag. You could still get involved here. The entry would have been at 78.45. It's kind of run. You know what? You missed it. There'll be others. There will be others. Um, yeah, we like it. We'll see how far it goes. I think um, I think 421 might do it. I mean, we're in this this downtrend. We're in this bearish trend on the S&P, and that would be consistent. And you know what? We never really tried to find something. Um, let's just see what this looks like. Yeah, there it is. We got that little outlier over there, that double top. That was really weak when it was happening. That could be the trend in there. I mean, we'll watch it. We're still happy with that flag. And if we look at the 10 year, we were talking about that today. Um, Made a little spike up, but there's a flight to safety, and the U.S. is really the only game in town right now with all the sanctions going on. So a lot of foreign money coming into our bonds, I do believe, and that's really what's driving the bonds down. I think this little retraces because look at that, they're very aggressive. I mean, we were at two um, at the middle of the month at 2%, and then we just stanked. So you know, we're having that little retrace, and it may continue its march down, but we shall see. Bitcoin. Oh man, look at that. Um, Bitcoin. Watch this. You can't really call it a shooting star. Let's make that a little bigger. It really just poked its head out of this pennant that we were looking at, and then turned around and closed below it. So that kind of makes me a little edgy. You know, watch that. I bet it's going to come back and close up this gap right here, and that's what we talked about this morning. If this does chase gaps, so I mean, watch that. That might be a good trade tomorrow. If we can open up around where we close, you could play the break of this low right here, and then see if you can get yourself involved in that gap fill right there. And yeah, you know that's a relatively nice move, maybe 2,000 points. So I would look at that. I would look at that. Not a bad setup in Bitcoin. And AMC. Oh, look at that! It's up 15 cents. The apes must be going crazy. Matt, it's got to be waving. Buy more. Buy more. Man, reminds me of my boiler room days. Um, so yeah, I don't know. And there's nothing going on here. Looks good in the title. Oh, look at that. Okay, so well, that's a 60-minute chart. You can watch this 60-minute chart. Um, It's like a cheesy Head and Shoulders, really cheesy. I don't even think I'd trade it. Yeah, no setup on AMC right now for me. So anyway, that's it. That's the short of the long. I'm up here in the mountains, a little tired now. Got some things done after I hopped offline, did a little bit of trading. Um, got involved with that move up. I said I was going to sit on my hands, but once Powell gave it up, I figured I'd hop in and take advantage of that. So I did that, did a little work, and now I'm going to chill out, cook up some fish, and enjoy the rest of the evening. So you guys do the same, man. Get that meditation in. Just remember, be calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. Check me out tomorrow, and subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and good luck trading.